When kids are young, right, they're made out of like rubber and magic, right? They have lots of range of motion. We call that movement variability. They have lots of variability of their movement, or they can change the shape of their body relative to whatever task or thing they're trying to do. And then as we get older, our habits and lifestyle are as such where our movement variability narrows to a very specific set of habits, right? As we don't do these things, like our nervous system, our brain loses the software programming for keeping it because it's a waste of energy. So we lose it, right? Because we're not using it in our everyday habit cycle. And then because that's introduced into our everyday habit cycle, our physical body and connective tissues then also adapt to that limited range of motion use. So now you have mechanical reasons why you can't do that.